Redmi Note 5.
Redmi Note 5 Pro. Redmi Note 5 has a 5.99-inch full HD plus display. We've reduced the borders on the top and bottom significantly. In Redmi Note 5, we have dual pyrolytic graphite sheets, and this further decreases the temperature by another 1 degree to give you 2 degrees total cooler surface temperature. So we've upgraded the rear camera sensor to have a large 1.25 micron pixel. And it's not just the rear camera, we've also added an LED selfie light on the front. Redmi Note 5. It's India's all-rounder. All right, now let's talk about price, which I think might still be a surprise. We really believe in Redmi Note 5, but many of you have asked us for more. We have Redmi Note 5 Pro. Redmi Note 5 Pro also has up to 6 gigabytes of RAM. It is also the first device in the world to come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 mobile platform. Redmi Note 5 Pro is India's camera beast. It's got great performance, but the camera is awesome. The Redmi Note 5 Pro has a dual camera. It's the first time we've ever shipped a dual camera in a Redmi Note smartphone. And it's a 12 megapixel IMX486 sensor from Sony. And the secondary sensor is a 5 megapixel color sensor to capture depth information. So we have a 20 megapixel front camera, but it's not just any 20 megapixel sensor, it's also high quality. We're also announcing Beautify 4.0, and it's tuned specifically for India with tens of thousands of photos that we've taken here. And Beautify 4.0 works on both the front and rear camera text. So we have one more AI-based feature to show, and that's Face Unlock. So our face detection algorithm scans facial features in roughly 500 milliseconds. Now let's talk about price.